Upgrade your closet with the versatile Allen Roth Hartford Whitewood Closet Kit. Both stylish and functional, the kit includes straight and curved valance options for a customizable look. Customize the look even further with the separately available shaker-style drawer kit. Each kit includes a closet tower with 2 solid 3-foot shelves, 3 expandable closet poles, a raised panel drawer kit, a single adjustable shelf, and a tiltable shoe shelf with a wire stopper. The Allen Roth Wood Closet Kit collection offers additional accessories sold separately, including drawers, closet towers, shelves, rods, J-hooks, brackets, a 9-slot shoe divider, and a pedestal base. The immaculate bright white finish is enhanced by modern satin nickel hardware. Hand-selected premium wood veneers with a multi-step furniture-grade finish are stylish and durable. Ready to install with some assembly required, install this versatile kit anywhere you need organization. Your closet, the pantry, your office, the bathroom, the laundry room, or use the stately towers as standalone furniture. The Allen Roth Hartford Whitewood Closet Kit is a smart, easy solution for organizing your closet.